In this video, we will show you how to replace your upper grille trim molding on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted directly to your upper grille. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is remove this cover up along here. To do that, you'll find that you have several push clips that make their way all the way across. Along each corner, you will have one push clip that's different than all others. But the way to remove any of them is simply to remove the center, to unlock it, and then remove the outer portion as well. You can use a flat blade screwdriver, trim tool, whatever you have. Inspect each of your pieces of mounting hardware as you continue, replace them as necessary. Separate this, remove it from the vehicle. Now that we have that plastic out of there, we're going to have to pay attention along the back side of the grille. In this area, you'll find that you have 6 Phillips head screws that make their way across. We have to remove each of those. Once we've done so, we can take hold of this molding, lift it straight up and away from the grille. Start getting this first one out of here. It's right about here. I'm using a ratcheting bit driver for this. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver if you can fit it in. I'll switch tools here. Remove that screw. All these screws will look the same. Now as I come over to the other side, I'll make my way to the corner first. Just easier this way. This one. There it is, friend. All right, let's get this brand new grille trim cover installed. We want to come up and over this area, right next to the front emblem. Slide it down and into position. There we are. Confirm that it's pressed down as far as possible along the emblem. Once you've done that, make your way along the back side of the grille with each one of those mounting screws. And we'll get this installed. Now as you tighten these up, keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic. You don't want to strip it out. Move along to the next one right over here. Make sure we're pressing the grill against it. this one in the corner. We'll do the exact same thing on the other side. This far corner. We'll get our center plastic cover in place. Along where your hood latch is, you want to lift this up, and then you can put it underneath the grille area. Once you've done so, we'll continue on by gently pressing this down, but you want to pay attention along each side. You'll have a small area that will need to be flexed and then pressed underneath the fender of your vehicle. Once you've done that, you can press it down into place. After you've done each side, continue on with each of your push clips, keeping in mind that each corner does have a push clip that's different than all others. When putting in the push clips, you want to press the outer portion in and then lock it in with the center. Okay, friend, we've got the car back together. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.